southwestern Alabama, southeastern Washington County in southwestern Alabama, south central Clark County in southwestern Alabama, until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 12:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a confirmed tornado was located over Creala, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: damaging tornado. Source: law enforcement confirmed tornado. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. The tornado will be near Stockton, Mount Vernon, and Movico around 12:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Calvert around 12:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. To repeat, a tornado is on the ground. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Repeating, a tornado warning has been issued until 1:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Alabama: Baldwin, Clark, Mobile, and Washington. The National Weather Service in